Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to look at how to make a business account on eBay. So go to ebay.com first of all, and then it says sign in or register. Just click on register. It's going to say personal account and business. We want to do business, so just click that. Business name, you could do like Joe's Resell or Resell. Then your business email, so just put your email in. Then create a password. Then put your business location, so wherever you live, like Canada or somewhere else. Then you could click if you want to only buy and not sell, but I'm planning to buy and sell if I were to make one. So, and then we just click create account. And then they're going to ask for you to verify your email. So I'll just go to Gmail real quick, or my email basically. Alright. So, hold up. We will get our verification code to your email. So just go to your email, and then if you don't see it, go look at your spam and stuff. It gives you your code, and then you just plug that code in. That's copy paste, but you just write it here. And click verify. And then here it says we are on eBay. If it says name taking, you gotta change your name. So I'm just do this. I'll continue. I click continue. And then it says, do you operate your business as a legal entity? So it is asking if you basically have created a LLC and have like tax thing, like EIN and all that good stuff. But since I'm only one person, for me, I'll just put this. But if you have like a company, or if you have like a few employees who put that, and like payroll, like legit stuff. Alright, so I'll just go on. Just click whatever applies to you, and then you just gotta fill these out. And then after you fill these out, you just gotta put your address in. And then I click continue. It says it's required. Just gonna put some random. So it's gonna ask for all the stuff. Oh, it also asks for phone number. My bad. And then you have to verify your phone number, so you get a text message from them. So I'm looking at my phone right now, and I got my code 920, and click continue after you put your code in. Let's just keep continuing. And then you're just going to add a bank account. And then, so I have Bank of America. So for this, you'll just go to your bank and then connect, like basically log in. So I'm just gonna say my bank's not here. And I basically just filled these out, connect your bank. I think you have to connect your bank, but this is like the final step. So after this, you'll have access to eBay business. So that is how you make an eBay business account. Thank you for watching.